Taking a look at Microsoft, guys. So we got a good little pop here after hours. Reported earnings. If you want to get all the details on the earnings, just pull up your brokerage account, go to the news section, type in the ticker symbol, and it's going to give you all of the earnings estimate numbers. I'm going to kind of take a look at the chart here and kind of see if there's an area of opportunity that we can take advantage of tomorrow for the session to see if we can possibly capitalize on a scalp just based off of the technical levels. But before I get into that, guys, if you could do me a favor, I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so this channel can get monetized. What's going to help me with that is if each and every one of you guys who watches this video all click that little thumbs up and like this video so my video can get out to more people and more people can learn about myself as well as the channel. Also, if you guys are looking for a Discord, I do have a free Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I kind of go over trades, kind of give out some free ideas, as well as I do have a paid section of that Discord as well. But taking a look at Microsoft, closed at $310, currently up at $315.20 after hours. So we were up about 0.5% on the day. What I want to look at here is going back to right when these earnings were reported here, we did hit highs of 316.50, and now currently 2 hours after the market has closed, we are trying to work our way back up there, currently at 315.20. So what I am going to do is I'm going to draw a trend line here, being that on the hourly chart, we are above all areas of supply. So if you've been following me, you know that stocks in the way that I trade, you know that I trade stocks from supply to supply and demand to demand, meaning that as soon as we can confirm an area of supply, I'm looking to trade into the next area of supply. Just like when we lose an area of demand, I am looking to short into the next area of demand. So we do have kind of this double top going on after hours. Of course, I don't want to put too much emphasis on the after hours. This thing could either, sell off in the pre-market or gap up over this level. But the level that I'm going to be looking for is 316.50. Anything over 316.50, I'm going to look to get long. Next area of supply is going to be this linear regression channel 50, and that price is going to be about 317.70. So what I am looking for is anywhere between 75 cents and $1 move on the stock, looking to play options, probably 3 to 5 contracts, nothing major, because there's not that much room here. There's not that much measured potential, but there's enough measured potential for me to get a nice little scalp out of this stock. So if I just go back to the daily chart and kind of look at what that's going to correlate with, obviously on the daily chart, it's not going to show us this after hours data here. Let me take off some of these old trend lines here. It's not going to show us the after hours data here, but 316.50 is going to be this white line here on the top. If we can get over this 316.50, you can see we're going to be over on the daily time frame over all the areas of supply here. Upper Bollinger Band, linear regression channel 50, obviously over the 5 and 10-day moving average. We have to kind of see where we base out. I'd like to form a little bit of a bull flag here in the after hours and pre-market session, so that way when market opens, we can bust through this 316. So the biggest thing for me is I don't want to see a gap up over 316.50. What I would like to see is maybe even a little bit red open or a flat open, go red to green, and then kind of take out this 316.50. That would be my area of opportunity to get long. And like I said, from the hourly standpoint, we're going to have about a point to a point and a half worth of measured potential right off the rip. So just with that being said, take this as a scalp and see how the stock performs once you get in it. Obviously, you're going to want to use your entry candles low as your stop loss, depending on if you're playing the hourly time frame or you're playing the 5-minute time frame, the 1-minute time frame, the daily. If you're looking to swing this, you're going to always want to use your entry candles low as your stop. That's just the way I do it. It's just the way that works for me. You can set your own stop loss accordingly. But if you guys are looking for a Discord, you're looking for more intraday information on certain stocks that I'm trading, join that Discord down in the description box below. And until next time, I will see you guys all on the next video. And let's see if we can catch this 316.50 pop.